ALDI Mobile MMS problems often stem from three main issues: incorrect APN settings, exceeding the MMS size limit, and Wi-Fi interference. Let's start with APN, or access point name. This is the gateway that allows your phone to connect to the mobile data network. Incorrect settings here will prevent MMS messages from sending or receiving. For ALDI Mobile, if you're on the Verizon network, the APN should be set to wholesale with the MMS proxy proxy.mobile.at.net and port 80. If you're on the AT&T network, the APN should be NXT Gen Phone, again with the MMS proxy proxy.mobile.at.net and port 80. You can manually enter these settings in your phone's network settings. Next, MMS size limits. ALDI Mobile, like most US carriers, caps MMS messages at 1 byte. This means large photos or videos may fail to send. Try compressing the file or sending a shorter video clip. Finally, Wi-Fi can sometimes interfere with MMS. MMS relies on a cellular data connection, not Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi calling enabled or your phone prefers Wi-Fi, MMS may fail. Make sure cellular data is enabled. To quickly troubleshoot, try restarting your device, resetting your APN settings, and ensuring cellular data is enabled. Remember, MMS is gradually being replaced by RCS, or Rich Communication Services, which uses data for richer messaging, but isn't yet fully implemented on ALDI Mobile. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your ALDI Mobile MMS issues, consider advanced fixes. Start by checking for carrier updates through the ALDI Mobile app, as these can address underlying network problems. Navigate to your device settings to access mobile network options and ensure the latest carrier configurations are applied. As of late 2025, ALDI Mobile offers partial RCS support on Verizon networks. RCS can bypass traditional MMS issues for compatible devices, enabling richer messaging over data connections. Recent trends show a move toward data-centric messaging, with RCS adoption increasing. Verizon and ALDI are promoting Wi-Fi calling with cellular data features, allowing MMS over Wi-Fi when cellular is active. However, these can conflict with VPNs or public Wi-Fi networks. Looking ahead, MMS is expected to become obsolete by 2026-2027, replaced by RCS and end-to-end encrypted services. ALDI may fully implement RCS across networks for better reliability. Until then, mastering APN configurations, size limits, and Wi-Fi interactions remains key. Stay updated through ALDI's official channels and device manufacturer websites.